So, hello guys, this is our group. Me, Abdullah A. Farah.
Rakan Dimaro.
Yasin Khan.
Haitam D. Gumbay.
So, we will be talking about our funniest memory. Starting with Rakan Dimaro.
He will start.
I will
Or,
start. it.
Yasin,
Sorry.
Yasin. Yo.
So my funniest memory was when we was grade 5. Me, Rakkan, Farah, and Gumbay. And andun rin si Panjo and some of our friends who left Saudi already. Raf was also there. So, we got our friend. Parang bossing namin yun, syempre, kasi siya yung pinakamalakas sa amin. Pero ewan ko, lakas ng tama natin nun, no? Ba't natin inasar? Inasar namin yung crush niya, sabi namin. Pre, ang pangit ng crush mo. Nung first, tumatawa siya, syempre. Tapos,
Napikon.
napikon. Tapos umiyak. Tapos inahabol kami lahat. Ay, umikot kami talaga sa campus lahat. Tumatakbo kami nun. Tapos ayun, show the Villa grade 10. So ayun, dyan ako nahuli. Tapos sila, nung nahuli ako, tumatawa sa akin. Yes, nahuli ka, ganun. Siyempre ako, kinakabahan ako, di ako natatawa. Sinapak ako dito. Umiyak ako, siyempre. Tapos pagpunta ko sa Villa, nahabol si Rakan, Raf, sila lahat nahabol. Tapos nakita ko sila lahat umiiyak.
Di umiyak.
Di.
Wala yun.
Ay, ito, di umiyak. Pero yung iba, umiyak nun.
Kami din naman, di umiyak.
Yung may isa kaming tropa, yung nag-start ng asar, sinipa-sipa yung mukha niya. Ganun. Sobrang kawawa, nadala kami sa faculty nun. Binigay yung mirror sa atin, isa-isa.
Oh, yeah.
Pagbigay ng mirror, sabi ng teacher sa amin, pre, tuloy. Sabi na, tingnan nyo nga yung mukha niyo kung pogi kayo kasi nangasar kayo ng pangit sa ibang tao. Binigay yung mirror kay Rakan. Pagtingin ng ni Rakan sa mirror, nagpapogi pa siya. Gumanon pa si Rakan sa mirror, nagpapapogi siya. Ayun, pinagtawanan namin. Pero, ewan ko kay Rakan, ba't nagpapogi pa nun? Tapos ayun, pinagtawanan namin. Tapos after nun, naging goods na rin kami. So, wala lang. Away bata lang yun. So, yeah, that's all. So, who's next?
Parang.
Fire next.
So, my funniest memory was when we were in Ashalal. Last school year, me, Bakur, all of the gang, you feel me? Gumbay, Rakan, Yasin, and Basil. And Bakur also. You feel me? So, we were riding the slingshot and, you feel me, the roller coaster. You know, Qatar Al-Maut, if you know it. You feel me? So, of course, the Filipinos, you know, they are scared. You feel me? But us, we tough. So, Panjo was scared. So, we were grabbing him. We were trying to put him in the roller coaster. And then, when we finished the roller coaster, he was about to faint. Also, Yasin, he was crying. and then we went to the slingshot. Then Basil was so scared, like as in so scared. He was scared. He was about to shit in himself. So at the end of the day, we rided the slingshot. And we had fun. We enjoyed. We laughed. You feel me? But, hey, that's it. That's all. Who's next?
Rakan.
Rakan? Let's get it.
Hello. So, my funniest moment is when, also in grade 5, when Al Sharif and one of our friends we're playing 21. So, of course, it's always competitive. So, Al Sharif and one friend of mine called Al Amin, they were always getting pissed at each other. So, every time we're playing 21, they're just chasing each other. Look at that. Show that. They're always behind that and chasing at each other, and then us, we're just watching, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
He was watching them the whole time. It was only them.
Only them. It's like 1v1 21. So that's my funniest moment. Who's next?
Yeah. So, madami akong memory. Kaso one of the best memory kasi yung sa Pinas ako. So yung una, naglalakad ako pamuntang Rizal Park. Di ko na kaya. So nag-tricycle ako. Tapos, wala naman pala akong pera. So nag-jeepney. So yung nandun ako sa Rizal, ako ng kabayo. So I was riding horse. I was scared of horse because I was small and the horse was big. And it was fast. Ang baho pa. So nahulog ako ng horse. Tapos napunit yung pantalon ko. Kasama ko mga kapatid ko nun. 10 kami nun magkapatid. So yung nahulog ako, my boxers and my pants ripped. So umuwi ako walang pangbaba. So umuwi ako, hawak-hawak ko yung ano ko. Maliit pa ako nun, mga ganun lang, na. So yung pag-uwi ko, kasi kinabukasan nung babalik na kami Jeddah. So yung bumalik ako sa Jeddah, may pasukan yun. So first day pa lang ng eskwelahan ko, may nangyari na kagad. Kasi yun, tawanan kami nun. Tapos yung lunch yun ata o free time, pinaglaruan namin ng fire extinguisher. Akala namin maganda yun. Hindi na naman namin alam kung anong meron doon eh. So curious kami mga bata. Pinaglaro-laruan namin, pinagpitik-pitik namin. Ako, tarantado ako nun. Bigla akong pinrest. Yun pala may nag-magic, may nag-appear na tao sa stairs. Umuubo-ubo. Yun, di namin alam, di namin nakita na may tao na pala doon. Tatlo kami nun. Walang nakakita sa amin. So yung pag-press ko, yun, di namin nakita, may naimatay na pala doon, and muntikan na kami makapatay. Yun ang storya ko. From Pinas hanggang dito.
And with that being said, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out.
So, ayun nga po pala guys, no. Yung mga memories ko, kay Yasin, kay Latam, tsaka kay Rakan. Masaya talaga. Masabi kong naging masaya childhood ko sa kanila. Gaya nung grade 5, grade 6 hanggang mag grade 7 kami. Lagi kami magkakasama niyan. Naglalaro kami sa isang maliit na court na kung tawagin niya GRB. Tapos, yun. Masaya kami. Kahit hindi siya totoong court. Pero, dahil dun, mas naging okay yung pagkakaibigan namin. Tapos, wala, masaya lang kami kahit ganun yung court namin. Kasi di kami pwede maglaro sa gym nun eh. Bata pa kami. Tapos daming high school na naglalaro. Tapos pag naglalaro kami, pinapalis na kami. And yun. Sa Jarby na yun, dami rin mga nangyari dun na mga bagay. Gaya nung suntukan, ganun. Pero bata pa naman kami nun eh. Hindi pa kami ganun mag-isip. Like, iba pa yung isip namin. Kaya nangyari talaga yun. Normal lang sa bata. Yun lang.